And he said,
the moving process is getting real. I've got my rack, my couch, all of this stuff that is coming with me. I've already started packing a little bit, so we have a lot more and more stuff in here, so a lot to pack. And what's up, you guys? Happy week in my life. Today's Sunday. Last night I went to the sauna and steam room. Today I'm gonna go to the gym. I have some errands to run, and then I'm gonna do sauna steam room again. It was a very busy weekend. It was a fun weekend. I went out with some friends to an event. It was a lot of fun. Lots of dancing. What's up, you guys? Welcome. I've been unpacking, setting up my place. I've got a couple of clients this week. Friends I'm seeing, kind of just like chill things. I went to the gym, cleaned yesterday. It was a very relaxing day. Today I'm going for dinner, and then I'm seeing a couple of friends tomorrow on a hike and on the weekends, so pretty chill. Just doing some work here, and then yeah, not too much happening. I'm all settled in, other than a couple of pictures, some patio furniture. I need a couple of things. We're pretty much set up. I do have to reorganize my Alex 9 drawer there, but I might even go for a walk on the trail because it's not raining. It was currently, but I went to the gym yesterday and did a bunch of other stuff, so it's been really good and busy.